Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia showcases its appeal to American investors.
In Trieste, the Select USA Roadshow brought together regional officials and American business leaders to strengthen economic ties. The event, part of a national tour, aims to encourage Italian companies to explore new opportunities in the United States.
In growing your businesses across the Atlantic is a clear sign of the strength and the vitality of the U.S.-Italy partnership.
Siamo al governo dal 2018 e di fatto non c'è stato anno dove non ci siano stati degli incontri, delle visite, perché è un mercato enorme, quindi le nostre aziende devono essere attrezzate. Questa è la vera sfida che noi dobbiamo portare avanti da qui ai prossimi anni.
We're very happy to be in Italy. We've been hosted by amazing companies and amazing organizations for the past week. It's very important for us to address the growing market demand in Italy to expand to the US.
Trieste honors its mountain troops with Alpine Hat Week. On Saturday afternoon in Piazza Unità, the newest initial service volunteers received the iconic Alpine Corps hat in a powerful ceremony that drew families, officials and residents to the city's waterfront square. A proud moment honoring service and tradition.
Friuli Venezia Giulia per averci
Friuli Venezia Giulia sees modest growth amid mixed signals.
The Bank of Italy released its 2025 update on the economy of Friuli Venezia Giulia. In the first half of the year, growth remained modest. GDP rose by 0.4% with signs of softening in spring. Industry stabilized after 3 years of decline, supported by food, mechanics, electrical equipment, furniture and shipbuilding, while electronics and metallurgy weakened. Exports increased by 6.6%, mainly due to cruise ship deliveries. Construction and services continued to expand, driven by public investment and tourism.
As opportunity pools abroad, Friuli Venezia Giulia grows older at home. According to a recent study, a steady flow of young residents are leaving Friuli Venezia Giulia for brighter economic prospects, deepening a demographic crisis. What are your plans after you graduate?
I think pursuing a master in engineering, in mechanical engineering. I'd like to go to Modena, but I don't know if I get in with the grades, so we'll see how it goes.
So what are your plans after graduation?
I would like to go outside of Friuli. I would like to take a degree in psychology, but maybe in the north of Europe. Yeah, I would like to have a family outside, I think, yeah.
It depends what opportunities I get. It's fine if I stay here, but I would like to travel around.
Italy simplifies IDs. Over 70s no longer need to renew.
Italy makes it easier for older residents. Citizens over 70 no longer need to renew their carta d'identità, their identity card. The change means that seniors no longer need to visit municipal offices for ID updates. People don't have to go and renew their ID card anymore. Do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing because older people have a less problem to.
It's easier for them.
Yeah, it's easier.
Come con la fotografia l'immagine della persona varia negli anni, perciò è utile rinnovarla magari a distanza di parecchi anni.
From pasta to pride, Italy's cuisine goes global.
Italy's beloved cuisine is on the world stage and closer than ever to UNESCO recognition. From the Roman Forum to family kitchens, a culinary tradition that shaped a nation may soon join humanity's cultural treasures.
Mid-November or early spring? Trieste's unusual warmth sparks mixed reactions.
Trieste enjoys spring-like temperatures this week. Some call it a treat, some a sign of climate change. I think this warm weather is normal for this period.
I think for this period is normal, considering last few years, but in the past was a little bit colder.
Temperatures are normal for this period.
Yes, because in this period And the name in Italy is Summer of San Martino, yes, and is hot for this period.
Water temperature.
18. It's like the temperature of the air is the same, no? 1.
The weather is really great in this period, especially October and the first part of November, because we are close to the sea. We have sun all day and the beautiful sunset also.
Yeah, we enjoy the last few days of summer of San Martino.
Queste temperature calde sono tipiche per questo periodo?
A volte è già successo e in questo periodo si può capitare. Infatti l'11 novembre da noi è San Martino e si chiama la giornata estate di San Martino, proprio perché è tipico di questo periodo che alcune giornate sono molto calde e ricordano proprio un ritorno d'estate. Quindi è già successo, il riscaldamento globale c'è, però in questo periodo ci sta qualche giorno di temperature più alte.
Warm weather is usual for autumn.
Well, this year is really warm. Usually I think in November it's more cold, but where we come from Bavaria, we have snow at this time of year. But for Italy I think maybe it's normal, I don't know.
Queste temperature alte sono tipiche?
No, non sono tipiche, è una grandissima anomalia. Avere una temperatura di 18 gradi prima di dicembre io penso che è una cosa assurda. E sicuramente è dovuta al riscaldamento globale, penso, no? E basta, io non ho altro da dire. E un po' anche spaventa, perché sì, prendere il sole 2 giorni fa, non so, non mi sembra una cosa normale, neanche a Trieste, ecco.
A bustling weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Plans for the weekend?
I plan to spend time with my family, maybe walking around, maybe walking near Barcola or something like that, have a coffee.
Oh, I think I stay here to play.
Shopping, maybe.
And Potros, fantastic ride. Really, really nice actually. You should try it out one day.
I think I'm going to go back home and probably stay with my family and spend time with my family. Yeah.
Come back home to Milan.
We hope we're enjoying the city.
Thank you for watching Interest Web TV. We speak your language.